Welcome to the place where learning English feels simple, practical, and a little fun because speaking well should open doors, not give you headaches. English is more than just another language. It has become a global tool for communication, education, and opportunity. In today's connected world, knowing English can open doors that might otherwise stay closed. One of the biggest reasons English matters is its role as an international language. People from different countries often use English to understand each other when they don't share the same mother tongue. Whether it's in business meetings, travel, or online discussions, English helps bridge the gap. Education is another area where English plays a key role. Many of the world's top universities use English as the main language for teaching and research. A huge amount of knowledge, books, scientific papers, online courses, is published in English first. Being able to read and understand it means having access to ideas and skills that can shape your career and personal growth. In the job market, English is often seen as a valuable skill. Companies that operate internationally or even locally with foreign clients look for employees who can communicate in English. Strong English skills can help you get better jobs, promotions, or freelance opportunities worldwide. English also connects us to culture and entertainment. Movies, music, books, and online content from all over the world are often in English. Knowing the language lets you enjoy them in their original form without relying on translations. Finally, English can boost confidence. When you can express yourself clearly in a language understood by millions, you feel more capable of sharing your ideas and building relationships across borders. In short, English is important because it is a key to global communication, education, career growth, cultural understanding, and personal confidence. Learning it is not just about speaking well, it's about expanding your world.